to the Travelodge in Pennsylvania. See, help you out.
Yes, Travelodge by Wyndham at Hershey
Yes.
in Pennsylvania.
It's just a cheap and cheerful room for one night.
Yeah.
So, got to think.
Thinking of vanity, you got all your shampoos and.
Oh, there we go. I like to work.
You pull it up
yeah.
and push it, yeah.
Got a few bits there.
Bathroom. Plenty of towels there. Power shower. Yeah.
I was just reading this, so it made me laugh. Look.
There's the.
Do not leave valuables in room. Do not leave valuables inside parked cars. Where the bloody hell are you supposed to leave them?
Okay, 2 comfy beds.
Yeah. 2 teenagers.
Microwave, nice and clean.
Yeah, it's absolutely spotless. Little fridge.
Yeah.
Yep. Oh, is that an ice? Oh yeah, it's got like a ice
Cool.
bit as well. Those are what we bought. You got
Normal teas and coffees.
there's no tea.
Plenty of coffee.
There's coffees.
There is a grab and go breakfast by reception. There is a pool here on site as well, but that's currently closed until the summer season starts.
Fair enough. It is a bit cold, isn't it?
You got a Samsung TV there.
Yeah.
Iron and ironing board.
Yeah. Storage. Chef mate, Curty boy.
Okay, you can do the bed test.
Yep.
No, can you do it on this one, please, Mum?
Have you dibs that one, have you? Right.
You can go over here.
Yeah, I've got my shoes on, so I don't want to get them on the bed ready, so I'll do a bit of a. Oh.
Yeah.
Yeah. Perfect.
Excellent.
Not bad for one night.
Okay. So this is our room here at the Travelodge Wyndham at Hershey. Literally just about a mile from Hershey World and Hershey Park, just down the road there.
So are we in Harrisburg?
No, we're in Hershey.
Hershey.
Harrisburg's about 10 miles down the road.
Close to Harrisburg.
Right. Okay then guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you all real soon.